Zesty Italian Pork Chops. I guarantee you your family will request this at least once a month. Big flavor bomb, delicious, comes together in only 30 minutes, and you definitely want this recipe. So if you want to know how to make this is so freaking good. Keep watching. Okay everyone, here are the ingredients for Zesty pork chops. Zesty Italian pork chops. You need a little bit of olive oil. I only have 3 pork chops here. They're boneless, so I have a little pan. I'm going to use my trinity of garlic powder, seasoning salt, and onion powder, and some black pepper, and you need a package of Zesty Italian seasoning. I've trimmed off most of the fat. I will admit these are some terrible looking pork chops. My oven set at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These should only cook for 30 minutes because pork you need an internal temperature of 145 degrees. So I'm going to turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. Okay, I'm going to season these pork chops, and those of you who know me, welcome back. You guys know I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote until a controversial joke. But more importantly, I marinate my meat a minimum of 12 hours overnight. But I didn't have time today, so these are just going to marinate for about an hour in the fridge. Then I'm going to put them in the oven. And that was garlic powder, seasoning salt, and here's the onion powder. It's not coming out. Okay, there we go. All right. And some black pepper. I like it coarse so you can see it. And just a tad bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. I'm going to moisten these up just a little bit. Massage this seasoning in pretty good. Then I'm going to take my Zesty Ranch. Okay, in the fridge for 30 minutes just to marinate. And like I said, I prefer overnight, but this is a quickie today. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes. Kind of in a rush today. I'm serving this with baked potatoes. This for my husband, so there's only 3. Here you go. Okay, in the oven 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. There you have it, 30 minutes, 185. So you know they're done because you only need 145. They will continue cooking as they rest. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. As I stated, I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And I'm just blessed to have you here watching my video. So I'm going to get everything set up, turn the camera around, and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, here's my joke. Reaching the end of a job interview, HR asks a young engineer fresh out of Massachusetts Institute of Technology, "So what salary are you looking for?" The engineer replies, "In the region of $125,000 a year, depending on the benefits package." The interviewer leans forward and says, "Well, what would you say to a package of 5 weeks vacation, 2 company all expense paid holidays, full medical and dental, company matching retirement up to 50% of your salary, and a company car at least every 2 years, like a red Corvette or something?" The engineer sits up straight and goes, "Wow, you're kidding." The interviewer goes, "Yeah, but you started it." I thought that was kind of funny. This recipe is full of flavor. It's like I said, it's ready in 30 minutes minus the marination time of the meat. And you can just go straight into the oven and have it on the table in 45 minutes. Perfect with salad. We had baked potatoes. You can do rice or pasta. And like I said, I think your family will really enjoy it and will request this often. It's simple, and it's just a seasoning packet of Zesty Italian. Kind of reminds me of shake and bake for those of you who grew up in the 70s like myself. So I'm going to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. I respond to each and every one of my comments, because if you took time to watch and comment, I can definitely find time out of my day to respond. You know, it's funny, I've been watching YouTube for years, and it really irks me that you can ask a YouTuber a question and they've got millions of subscribers, or even hundreds of thousands, or even 50,000, and they never respond. I mean, like you're nothing, you're not important. Well, I just want you all to know each and every one of you who watch my video is very important to me, and I'm blessed. And I want to thank God for all of you, and I hope you guys and your families all have a wonderful evening. God bless you all. Thanks for watching.